Hello students, in previous video we discussed about miniature painting. In this part we discuss about characteristics of Rajasthani paintings. First we discuss about colors scheme. The use of different colors to express different thoughts is very clear in this style. Mostly bright glowing color are used. The main color red, yellow, blue, brown and white without mixing any other color are used. In some paintings, gold and silver colors have been used. In some paintings, flat colored background can be seen without contrasting color in figures, which adds charm to the entire painting. Number 2. Depiction of nature and landscape. Nature has been beautifully depicted in Rajasthani paintings. Trees are ornamentals. Flowers have been drawn in bunches. Mountains, water, springs, and lakes have successfully depicted in the beauty of nature. Landscape have been beautifully painted in different seasons. Painting of Baramasa or the monthly festivals of the year is depicted. Number 3. Depiction of women. The Radha of Kishangarh or Banithani is world famous painting of Rajasthani paintings. A postal stamp was also issued by Indian government based on this painting. Women in the paintings have lotus eyes, flowing tresses, slender waists and rosy hands. आप इस पेंटिंग में देख सकते हैं ये राधा बनीठनी नाम से फेमस है। राजस्थान में औरत को विशेष स्थान दिया गया है। Number 4. Face and expressions. Human faces are shown from different angles. Mostly faces are profile, जिनको हम साइड पोज कहते हैं या हिंदी में एक चश्म कहा जाता है. Feminine charm is depicted in different modes and moods. आप देख सकते हैं ये साइड पोज कहलाता है, यानी चेहरा जो है एक तरफ से ही दिखाई देता है, साइड से दिखाई देता है. राजस्थान की सारी पेंटिंग्स में एक चश्म चेहरे ही बनाए गए हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. आप इनमें माउंटेन्स भी देख सकते हैं, माउंटेन्स हैं, नेचर से रिलेटेड जो है पेड़ पौधे दिखाए गए हैं. Number 5. Symbolic paintings. Radha and Krishna have been beautifully shown in all Rajasthani schools. The love between them representing the union of human soul with God. Mostly these painting is based on Indian epics, devotional poetry like Bhakti Sagar, romantic poetry like Riti Kavya and Indian music. Number 6. Linear beauty. Rhythmic, bold and graceful lines have been used in all sub-schools of Rajasthan. The thin lines are full of softness in paintings. Number 8. Literary paintings. Literary paintings based on Geet Govind, भागवत पुराण, महाभारत, रामायण, रागमाला, राग and ragnis based on Indian music. Night scenes. Night scenes are painted in black and smoky grey colors. Moon and stars have been painted in white color. Costumes. Number 10, costumes. Garments are highly decorative. Ladies have been shown wearing lehenga and choli with transparent chunri. Males have been shown wearing loose fitting garments, patka and turban. Pajama and Rajput style patka is also here. Number 11, hunting and gathering scene. Depiction of animals and birds being hunted has been shown, which is the effect of Mughal school of art. In some paintings, like Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, men, women, and animals have been painted in crowd. Number 14, festivals and games. Festivals have been painted in beautiful style in all over Rajasthan. Some paintings like Chaugan players are based on popular games.